The Nadi Weather Office has confirmed to Fiji One News in the last hour that the Nadi and Bar rivers have both burst their banks. And with the tides expected to rise during this hour, residents in Nadi and Bar should be expecting water levels rising to around 8 meters.
We understand by this time the Bar and Nadi rivers have burst banks, and this is particularly significant as we approach the next high tide, which is around 6:32 p.m. tonight, with a high tide height of about 2 meters. Nadi river level was around almost 6 meters at 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon, and if that 2 meters does come with the current level of water, then it's likely that we'll be looking at least 8 meters around Nadi town.
High tide will be around 6:30 tomorrow morning as well, and residents of the two towns are now warned to be prepared as water levels will be at its peak during the dark hours.
The high tides are happening during night hours or the dark hours. So it is prudent if the public do assess their situations and get in touch with officials on the ground. If there is need to move, they should move as soon as possible. But they should contact the people on the ground first before they do that.